Hello children, welcome to Nivetha School online classes. How are you children? I hope all are fine and healthy at home. Children, now you are 4th standard. Okay. Before getting into the lesson, first I'll ask some questions to you. What is the name of your taluk, children? Yes, Hospete. Then, which is your district? Yes, very good, Vijayanagara. Then what is the name of your state which we are living? Yes, Karnataka. Very good children. Then what is the name of our country? Yes, very good. India is our country. Yes children, today we are going to learn about our beautiful country India. It is the first lesson of your 4th standard. Okay children, in this lesson we are going to learn about location of India, the neighboring countries of India, physical divisions of India, states and union territories of India. Okay children? Yes. First we will learn about location of India. Yes children. India is our country. It is a beautiful country. Here many plains are there. Vast plains. Vast means plains are there, beautiful hills are there, high mountains also there. See children, I will explain word by word. Should listen carefully. Later I will ask the question to you. See, plains. Plain means what children? Yes. Large area of flat land with few trees. It's called plain. Already you learnt in 3rd standard. Then hills, mountains also there, plateaus also there. Yes children, what is plateau? Yes, land with a large flat top which rises abruptly from the surrounding areas. Then forests also there, islands, a piece of land surrounded by water is called island. Okay. Desert, less rainfall and dry area is called desert. Then coastlines also there. Many rivers are there, isn't it? This is plateau. This is island. Okay. Desert, dry area and less rainfall. See children. Yes. See, our India is located southern part of the continent of Asia. About continents, isn't it? What is continent? Large land masses are called continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Okay. See here. Asia. Here our country, southern part of the Asia. Our country is located. Okay. Yes children, it is the 7th largest country in the world. Our country is the 7th largest country in the. Do you know children which is the first largest country in the world? Yes, you are very good children. Russia is the largest country in the world. Second largest country, do you know about that? Yes, children, very good. Canada. Third, United States. Fourth one, China. Fifth, Brazil. Sixth one, Australia. Seventh is the none other than our country, India. Seventh largest country. Argentina, Kazakhstan, and 10th one, Algeria. It is not in your textbook, children. Extra information I am giving you. Okay? Yes. See, it measures about 3,200 km from north to south. See, children, it is our country, India. Our country measures 3,200 km north to south. See, already you know about that. Main directions: east, west, north, south. Okay. Then the southern part of India is a peninsula. See, children, southern part of our country is called peninsula. Do you know, children, what is peninsula? Yes, a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides is called peninsula. Okay? Yes, children. Then the southern part of our country projects into the Indian Oceans. On its east, Bay of Bengal. On the west, Arabian Sea is there. Our country is protected by very high mountains, children. The Himalayas in the north are covered with snow and are cold throughout the year. See, children, these are our neighboring countries. They are sharing the border with our country. What are those countries? Many countries are there. I'll show you. See, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Kazakhstan. These are the neighboring countries of our India. Bangladesh and Myanmar are the east. In the east, the island countries of Sri Lanka and Maldives are our neighbors across the seas. Here. Okay, children, they are to the south in the Indian Ocean. Okay? Yes, children. What are the neighboring countries of India? Afghanistan, Pakistan. They are lie in the northwest of India. Nepal, Bhutan and China are the north to the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. Okay, children. These are the neighboring countries of our India. Yes, children. Today we learnt about what we learned. In few words I'll explain, children. India is a land of vast plains, beautiful hills, high mountains, extensive plateaus, forests, islands and large desert. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Then India is wider in the north and narrows down as we move southwards. See, children, it is narrow in the southwards. Here wide. Okay. Many countries share a land border with India. Already I told you. Okay, children. Thank you.